about everything Punta Cana, what we believe. Holiday is about enjoy the tropical culture and the difference. To really enjoy a holiday in Punta Cana, you must experience the true local culture. We believe you need a host who really knows the local area, somebody to get close attention. And if you travel that far, you should get the most out of this experience. Your host has to help you to custom tailor your experience so you get the most out of your time and money and return home satisfied. We believe you need experts that can connect you to authentic food, drinks, music, and the treasures of nature. We believe that your holiday must enrich your life, recharge your batteries, and leave you with the memories of a lifetime. We believe that everything Punta Cana will be your tropical oasis between massive hotel prisons and shared economy hell. What do we want you to know about us? We are honest, reliable, we provide upfront terms and transparent conditions, clean and tidy properties, custom experience. What we stand for: great experience, great conditions, local experts, custom tailored experiences, help you with planning. Where do we fit in this world? Not a fungus hell. We really care about quality. We are not a hotel prison. We connect tourists to local culture. We believe to have a truly unforgettable vacation, you need a host that caring, honest, transparent, and provides you with lean, tidy, fresh-looked after properties. The best excursions and adventures. Welcome to Punta Cana.